Alright, so I got this thing started. Runs pretty good. The problem was, they couldn't start it because it had literally no battery. It was cut out here. I climbed into the back. Alright. No battery. No battery. Well, let's try disconnecting this then to the terminals.
That's cut.
Cut?
Yeah.
Hold on. This is the positive, right? Okay, yeah, the battery was cut off, right? Yeah. Okay. That right there is the positive. I'm just looking for the negative one right now.
Okay, I got it. Go try it. I got put a deadbolt.
Okay.
Go on there on the deadbolt.
Looks like someone had subs back here, see?
Yeah, I see it.
Hope. Nah, no power. Maybe. Oh, okay. Okay, there's power now. Yep, sweet. Okay. Wait. Power cut out. I think you just lost connection. Okay. Lost it again. It's just a loose connection. Keeps losing connection. They're putting, that's the bolt, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sweet. All right. Woo. Stinks though. That does not sound like a stock exhaust. Just gonna let it warm up, let the fluids go before I give it a couple revs. This is a 2008 Audi A5 that was for sale at the Copart auto auction. Unfortunately, I didn't win this car because it sold for exactly how much my maximum bid was, and I wasn't willing to go any higher. The price was really low, and it will be revealed later in the video. But this car is definitely amazing, and it was worth every penny to whoever got it. They got an amazing deal. This car had 100,000 miles on it, and not much damage was found on this car. Cover could be saved actually. Looks like it was already repainted. Everything looks pretty good here. Tires are really good. Not gonna need to get new tires. I like the wheels. Tires are good all around. Get a better angle of it. There it is. Wow, these headlights actually look really nice. The hood cannot be opened because the latch is broken here. Not sure how this happened, but here are all the parts to the latch. And the hood latch right here is just completely destroyed. However, everything else seems to be pretty good working order. Airbag light is on, to my surprise. No airbags are blown. Here's the airbag light. 108,000 miles. And for some reason the ABS light is on. Infotainment system is still turning on. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a rev. RPMs already went down a little. Interior looks pretty good. In order to get to the battery in the back, I had to drop down the back seat and crawl to get the trunk lid open. Everything is in pretty good working order though. Power steering though is bad. Let's go ahead and pop it into gear though. Let's go reverse. Drives forward. Backward. Goes forward as well. Steering is stuck. Not sure if that's power steering or some other issue. The steering just feels locked. I don't know why. Everything seems pretty good here though. We got an otter box actually. Exhaust is modified for sure. The exhaust pretty much burbles. I'm gonna set up the camera right here so you can hear the exhaust. Exhaust sounds pretty nice. Not sure what the modification is, but it is definitely modified. This tube here also concerns me. Not sure where this goes. Here's the damage pretty much up close. The hood that's going to be repaired. Fender. Gonna take a look at the suspension. Suspension looks good. All tires are pretty good condition. That might just need a little buff, but you can't even see it on camera. It's really good. Wow. Very nice all around. I really like it so far. Definitely interested in picking this up because considering I might be able to keep these two bumpers, which are very expensive. Here's the quarter panel that's gonna need work. Let's take a look under the bumper, make sure there's no more damage. Oh, we can't really see that much here. Everything looks good. Definitely gonna need a new fender. There it is. Everything looks pretty good. Only concern is this tube. Not sure where this goes. Not sure what fluid this is. Might be oil. Everything else though checks out. Oh, this tire is popped. Here's the bumper again. Yeah, it's gonna be repaired. Not an issue. Here's the side that had most of the damage. Car looks good. These wires, can't believe I missed this. These wires are gonna have to be replaced. Whatever wire harness this is, some wiring got ripped up over here. Airbag sensor right here. That might be giving off the code right now. For the airbag light, this airbag sensor might be cut right here. Let's take a look. This might be the airbag wire somewhere over here that might have been cut. Now that it's a little warmed up, let's give it some more gas. Crackles real nice. I'd also like to give a big thank you to AutoAuctions.io for providing the sale prices on these cars. Before, I'd have to watch each and every car sell individually to get an idea of how much these cars are selling for and what price is good and is worth me buying it, and to make sure that I don't end up overpaying for it. I've been waiting for a service like this for the past 10 years, and I'm glad that they finally have it. Now, having seen the car in person and considering the price that these cars sell for, I know this was a great deal. However, I want to see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if you think this was a good price and how much you think this car would cost all in with all repairs. I'm really curious as to what you guys think. I overestimated full repair and all investment to be $4,000, and I'd like to compare to what you guys think.